Hello guys, you're welcome to this new video series. In this new series, we're going to be creating a media player application, and we're going to be doing all of that using your mobile device. Alright, and in this series I'm going to be using the 8, which is the Android IDE. You can find it right here. So we're going to be using 8, and in the last couple of videos, I need to close this, sorry. So in the last couple of videos where I taught Java, I used the Java NIDE, this one right here. Alright, so if you had Java NIDE, you kind of work, it works great, but I'm not gonna be using that for this series. 8 is just, it's just better. It's a better IDE and it makes your workflow very easy. So I'm gonna be using that in this series. So just to show you what we're gonna be learning throughout of this series, let me open up the app. I think this is what I called it, my app, exactly. So you can see, let me move this right here. Okay, so when you launch the app, it's gonna ask you what do you want to play. So if you want to play music, you're gonna hit music, and then it's gonna show you a list of all the music files we have here, you have on your device. And then so you can select one of the music to play. Right here I select this one. Move this away from here. Okay. So you can also pause your music right there. You can play. You can go to the next. You can see. And you also have a little indicator, a text view here showing you the current song being played. Okay. So you can go back to the previous song and stuff like that. So that is what we're gonna be learning in this video series. Oh, and not just that, let me go back one. You're also gonna learn how to play videos. So essentially we're gonna be building a media player application on this in this tutorial series, and we're gonna be doing everything using our mobile device. So let me play the video so you see an example. Alright, so you get that. Okay, so that's a video. And oh, the video's also got controls. So right here you can see that you can move around to the video, you can pause, you can you can use the various seek buttons, and so there you have that. So this is all we're gonna be learning in this series. So this is showing all the videos in my device right now. So you can play music with this, you can pause, you can go to next, previous, and stuff. So I'm gonna be showing you guys everything, and if you want to learn how to do this using your mobile device, then stay tuned, and we're gonna get started in the next video. So see you guys then.